Hello all, welcome to the day 46 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Gautam buys 5 pens, 3 bags and 1 instrumental box and pays a sum of rupees 160. From the same shop, Vikram buys 2 pens, 1 bag and 3 instrumental boxes and pays a sum of rupees 190. Ankur buys 1 pen, 2 bags and 4 instrumental boxes and pays a sum of rupees 250. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First, let's write these 3 cases in the form of equations. Let the cost of 1 pen be equal to X, 1 bag as Y and 1 instrumental box as Z. Gautam buys 5 pens, 5x plus 3y plus 1z is equal to 160. Vikram buys 2 pens plus 1 bag plus 3 instrumental boxes costing 190. Ankur buys 1 pen plus 2 bags plus 4 instrumental boxes costing 250. Question A. Convert the given situation into a matrix equation of the form Ax equal to B. So these equations can be written in the form of Ax equal to B, which is 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4 times matrix X is X, Y, Z equal to B is 160, 190 and 250. Question B. Find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 5 times 4 minus 6 minus 3 times 8 minus 3 plus 1 times 4 minus 1, which is minus 10 plus 15 plus 3. Determinant of A is minus 22. Question C. Find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. To get the adjoint matrix for A, we have to find the cofactor matrix of A and transpose it. Minor of A11, that is M11, is equal to 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. M12 is 8 minus 3, that is 5. M13 is 4 minus 1, which is 3. M21 is 12 minus 2, which is 10. M22 is 20 minus 1, which is 19. M23 is 10 minus 3, which is 7. M31 is 9 minus 1, that is 8. M32 is 15 minus 2, which is 13. M33 is 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. Next, let's get the cofactor for each element in the matrix. A11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11, that is minus 1 to the power 2 times minus 2, which is minus 2. A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 times M12, which is minus 1 to the power 3. M12 is 5. So it's minus 5. A13 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. M13 minus 1 to the power 4 times 3, which is 3 itself. A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 times M21 minus 1 to the power 3 times 10, which is minus 10. A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 M22, that is minus 1 to the power 4 times 19, which is 19. A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 M23 minus 1 to the power 5 M23 is 7, which is minus 7. A31 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 times M31, which is minus 1 to the power 4 times 8, which is 8 itself. A32 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 times M32, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 5 times 13, which is minus 13. A33 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 times M33, which is minus 1 to the power 6 times minus 1, that is minus 1. Adjoint of A is the transpose of the cofactor matrix minus 2, minus 5, 3, minus 10, 19, minus 7, 8, minus 13, minus 1. The transpose of which is minus 2, minus 10, 8 on the first row, minus 5, 19, minus 13 in the second row, 3, minus 7, minus 1 in the third row. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A is minus 22 times adjoint, that is minus 2, minus 10, 8, minus 5, 19, minus 13, 3, minus 7 and minus 1. Question number D. Determine P is equal to A square minus 5 times A. A square is A into A, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4 into the same matrix 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4. The elements of the first row and the elements of the first column are getting multiplied. We get 25 plus 6 plus 1, 15 plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 9 plus 4. Second row and first column, 10 plus 2 plus 3. Second row and the second column, 6 plus 1 plus 6. Second row and the third column, 2 plus 3 plus 12. Third row and the first column, 5 plus 4 plus 4. Third row and the second column, 3 plus 2 plus 8. Third row and the third column, 1 plus 6 plus 16, which gives us 32, 20, 18, 15, 13, 17, 13, 13 and 23. 5 times A is 25, 15, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 10 and 20. A square minus 5A is 32 minus 25, which gives 7, 20 minus 15, which gives 5, 18 minus 5 is 13, 15 minus 10 is 5, 13 minus 5 is 8, 17 minus 15 is 2, 13 minus 5 is 8, 13 minus 10 is 3, 23 minus 20 is 3. So this is A square minus 5A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.